Nimbar, just setting up here, sorry. Yo, assalamu alaikum. I'm all be conjong. I'll be Nimbar. I tell you about when Ross on and all that. Yeah, Uncle Fat. Gary Alpha, Mandarin Alto. How you Nimbar? Okay. So, man, from the comments on the album, but mostly fan, can't try like avoid, but sometimes depending on more comment get a woman and come back diabla maybe it takes me off track. So so assalamu alaikum ngal be kon do nimba me moy fe wala wodo ñende la profile page me invite wala ko mo la profile page fe wala wodo me invite so jaron kol wal steno. Anyway, let's get into it. Come on, son, follow. And man, that's what to say. Like, that's what to say. I don't know come on. Yo, so basically, I come to that. You may work here, can demand. Sometimes I better. Excuse me. I do mouth as well. Maybe I need some tea. I'm lying back. So basically, like ngamira, you may over cake. Well, I'm not Ninkachabe caring, can you moya better? More people learn them to yak in the mall, local, you know, the road lad. Ning be d'accord la ibalu na ko melorin jana nin te d'accord la yete la hajo la ngata na hajo wala ko et jadi betar la jana tara nyo ngiri ngana la nyo ngata jiti jana la fenkilo wala me yala ko de kamben no la je wato si nyanta do ko men kala ta ke no because mo nekata mol je nyanta kambe mo man keno so jani kambe wato be sil bo be ay tan ni nyolo ko jinante lo lat nga nyo moy je wala ngana nyo moy je isaje mo be te time soro ye kala ke fan political more kanam fanke ko politician all they're only acting out of national interest. Every single politician ibelam kyo from head to toe, you know, Dabal Mbang, Halifa Saleh Mbang, anybody, they all have some inherent personal interest in politics. The question is, for a lower interest, does it align with the national interest? Another politician who has legacy, what the ma is of personal interest. Anako na legacy lafta la mol nimbota janto mol be muna folama. What the madam is personal interest. So how you go about doing that? Wala be mung simfada leta la puruka yoko mol ning soma mol nate ko ma fellow ka banga jwe kunu muna kadaja. Ilafta ito to for nyadi. What motivation on yindama omu personal interest. So politician or politician, political calculation katara la kuol kono. Wala ñinto ko ñim bente la politiko na fala ñaadi na benta politiko man tora la ñaadi so membe la politiko na fala fo be banko na fala la ban wala mal me blano membe la politiko na fala nata banko na fala wo muy fonga kunkil na fali ndel data wor politician be kul be la kul ko me yalon ko ya ifanga la legacy la because ni na rajuwe seeking political office wala kake president is self esteem kul ba kono self fulfillment wala ko ke fa yirwan hamen na ko la me alon ko mol sa jeno ko lafta ngana banko ma ko so ñun ko fula man ko ni lafta ila political interest la woni banko la interest manta ani be jammen do nga example da do kawrun Trump binana mol men carte fa en dol da do ko bari mu ne kada anala agenda men natana mo jawa son dalal ko lafta ñina barka bra ko sa ta balaw agenda ñin tamandi kan ñame example immigration atamandi nya ani mol lafta la ñame mankile ko silan ni midterms ira wala ñu December American ol sanji flow carte fo ka power balance ko ñinga be mantora la amana ke akoy gerrymandering ka Texas gerrymandering wala monti ko ya jame menga foñal do ata kombo bara sira lulu bandu no foñal kombo sira fol so gerrymandering dafa na wasi fa ko ni nga ñinga Texas Republican ol be tula samboto so monati political interest Republican wala political interest fo nim banko la interest tata la ba ani because mo ne kam wala disenfranchise man yalla ko man ke Republican on ko no wol kuma tan te wala kuma ko may so modol bala pati yo kon makana ko manya na nyinkel wo anim banko la interest manda so political calculation ko tere lo ko ba nintel na Gambia men kam batan ka jelo ko politician lo bi jewol nata banko da mala kunkilen banko da mal na fala kunkilen na fa ku tete lo ko momo ka do mistake ko kala politician a belam kew na ko ma jende ani ya misa dawo man ka support ko bala ko no men yalon ko political interest ka wala sigje so for political interest adim banko la interest ta mol nyanda wolto jube law ni nga wo jube na tre manta nanda bon bije na tre na tata la nga support aga bawo la to dia be damendo mo be na faso to jede yeto dia wala fi zate ida ma na faso to jede mol yeto ko ya so nyum ko fulol they are not mutually exclusive basically so ni nga wo kalamuta nga wo lonje ko politician la political interest ka tara wala calculate lan sina understand no sai munatina politician on dama men be ko etal wulta la pour ka banko la nafa wulta la pour ka banko la mako lu wulta la pour ka banko doko munande bu ka denno kan bawo nembe be hamel wo ku kilo nga be yirwa munande bu ka denno kan wo fama dama nyanta tan le ko political interest ba ku ko no personal interest on do ka taraje personal interest wo is not o banka kuti me yalan ko mo nyanta promote la wo personal interest ni wala ka mol batan because wala sambo warata dina political interest wala ko lafta banko tamaten ni gnata ne ko karama la karola ntel lafta tamaten ni do ko hané ni do la sila beto pour ka karama tamande banko ka nyanta taman la ni for example ni doy na nang ba mo be si dialo lalon ako karamo wol to manyana ka dinol karande ma fa wala fa misalo la manyana dinol karande la angale kan wala ni ko londo soro be karande la man ka kawon ni surwa kawon ni fula kawon la saje ifan soro no ko tuba wol ka kenya ni ta rose ke dino karande wala rose kan ni ta ra chene fanan tuba karamo be bul wala ke dino karande chene kan so ni sile ni wona tana then do ina nan karado la maybe za for UDP for example même misalo la do ko ngo hani bawo man establish follow ka fo ngan na kan sa fele ala nga dino karandal asike obe tantala so ndal police mi nga continue ke karani angale kan la nga institution dolbe imaji wal yonat on political approach la so ku flol be katara ko kono so ni nga wol faham je ko politician they have an underlying political interest wala ko la political nafa membetel nafa la political la karola e ko calculate ko kono ko bakel ni aje ke lo lal fale wala he kare ni nafa ja ya fintene apologize wala mundi because ni manyi apology ke abenna political batandala mol yete to ko yaw man banko tinya fenna ha surwal betena ha man ko betena ha fulol betena nim politician wo jojo kumar e be ka fin lay apologize ka dum banko la nafa ta jete la kunkile nafa kam na fele mol ko sen ñoo so ngaw faham ngaw la ndikara politician abe political interest ka motivate la ka ko dol so sa ngana ninko adam baro banko batan la nyanta nga bandi a bandi nyaaje say molbe ñoo sabola wol munam siloti nyanta adam baro bandi la nyama nga fo wolto ko momo nin ka tabe kere be nga lo layta ni ñola ko ñinam dalla lo lat men finde sisi fana nin sambona rana ha yudi bita tamino la coalition nyaata say wo ka ta tangonta asa ken wala no ko ku ka ta ko lara nda ko maboro ka ta ka bon ba ni tan wo fijo nata na ni wo birisi ba nata ne ko mole ko ta kala ja ñindol fana ko ni wala ndel fana ndati mona sa ko bi mantinya so sa ka ja boto wotole after min dole sa ka duwe wala ko pati sabanyo pati yol même be se ka funo ñomo wala ka fu karakile UDP man ko tel manta dakale ni manta maña wala te faye adam baro tra faye sa nga kilo wul ndakam sa ka ja after dole baram a folodula atinya dawol wala na tara no silol bar hanabi ka jalbe ke ndu man tel mudi am la lati sando do bari men yanko alfa la modi sembo be la kamo be bul wol be la man ke kan duma wol ba ke kan wol na Facebook live so se jike nyin nako ida malbe ñom moy la ni halo dabara ala ba so ndal la jeroto ndal be diam kam comme social commentators mina fa ngam fa la yama ke kon ni UDP ñaaton kala kacha o UDP parti man la opinion la so nara fo UDP ngol ba adople la discussion do nga ko modul fa ngofonu kabe suwe fintana be interview la ya interview ba kachala I Africa aw ko modul fa so wala ñindi kon de Dakar nawoto ni mol be kachala nga jusol bandi kuwol kon na kacha ni hakilo la nga je ko be lafta ku kilo wala na banko yirwa ta ñaar mo be lafta ko bare mbo kala ñamen na waliol kana wolto ba ko ko men volance wali barin kana kuya nsa wali barin kana song wali wala ñinti ko de tan ñin karadol na dal ñin karadol so ndal la jero the best chance mu munati ka baro bandi je fo UDP da ay taraw kon kafu ko be wala ñina pour que adam baro bandi fo ni UDP yal bulu du ñogul o me rafola nimbi mol ka fo ka mansula tonya there's a pathway wala silo bi jele men adam baro so bonni no jela to UDP da man taraji bar fa sonya ani men sonya o ko fulol kon wala UDP da taraje mbe mbulo du ñogul nga bandi wala sonya bari hani biya se keno ning wo man keno men we kafla ñoma wal kafra ñoma UDP man ne daake yi ma fa ta keno bar ko nga fa ñaaw ko yalla so ka coalition lo is just an act of goodwill bawo wol mol be kono sa ente gambe be do nga parti mu wala mo am findala men ko do be la fa kare president wati wala men siara wati wo mol be kono mo kilina mal ci keno president sa fo dole e ji doy wo mol be kon dole be ji la doy pour way tam baaw mo kilina ma wala se keno president di banko eta fa no president fula be jam president kilin dole be jam mo kilin do na be keno so won mol ben ji la ñoy ñaadi la mu ne batin la nganji kari pour ate tamit ñaan même kul la cross la wala ko wo kacal ngawtu alfa bul wala ka jaban da lamiro menti woto mba fala so ngi ñoy wala ko jikira ko ni nga kar tambendi nga ñina suuti ala ko nga ñina suuti ala ko mol fana ñina suuti ala ko na tambeda ka meññi ni sa so no bara tambelen ko la telefona la fa ñina pour ay o ken so wo be kan jik mo na kan luwata woro o mu ñina to nga ni yoy ya ñoy na foro ya kan 2016 coalition a beta rana wala na mo man kudute no baro bawa ne luwa manta ni ko non ko ya parti carré la mo libo le la agriculture for example PPP parti carré la mo libo le la education parti carré la mo libo le la nata da o do bay nata coalition mo ni luwa ko wala no danu sa mo no kiti la ya fa carré bay no ma ay ko ya ko mbay ka ko manya na bay ka bay no mo na gata e ka amru ni ja so basically coalition mo na di goodwill wala nga ni la ñoy nga nji ñoy bare men kana o sabu wala ko sembo o power atenen nafulo mo be la xamen ko lam ni sa soto no e ka ngaba so nin do rata wa ya soto kuna be loru nun dame anen biya be dame do bu kana kele to abol ko men folam power reveals true character moyo kudo mabo ba fo real dikita kan semente yala tinna manya do ke mol ya sute men na ko e ka woda famaji mol semboy na dia ala famaji o yemat ayataro num famaji lante bari sembol tabul wala dina tajirante ya tatil no la mol barka bi yo sembol ya dro ay tajirante ya jam men misalo men be yalon sojar ya ka fa na be dawda nyimbu ko trama boru mo bi ka tara jelo mo sone harimba ber mo jelle ni tuta ya jama masakunda kar mo nem man say al dita so ngam fanji ñoy basically that was the issue. Agreements are built on goodwill and they are not something built on law. Basically, when you're building a coalition, you build an agreement hoping that everybody keeps their side of the bargain. 2016 coalition, it was a failure completely. Immediately following that, Kabru Wakajabe Gambia political Sanjano, be Manina Kajala, Somania Kaja, Rumania Kajano. Coalition 2017, 2018 mafon. Mobi afla coalition failed because moneka tactical alliance to the jantenente. Kabri halifa sala interview ker fara mana fo ako intel succeed because altel Gambian on le kafon unko. Anali yo ulo sambana be karre fela wole nga yaje me bonnija. So alien sasimen na ngawoke. Alien sasimen na ngawoke wala ko nga yaje me bonnija. So yaje me bonnron ko la silam to men to daje mboke la nyaari bawo the common threat, the common concern, wala ya jamet. Nyinen de wondija. Sa wonde wo botan kan sila mobe ni jino. Woni jiyo kono sila mbido. Membira bene kin do mo taw do, membira duran do mo taw do, bar sa ndo bor wato sitale. Be mona do mala. Mankambe no wol. Coalition janyanda wol. Mobe say fansum opinions no so do wol. What debate, wo fana mo afansun debate la ni so wala no karola la ngaw debate sa lundo. Bari mem kumara wala ko nga karam kuol to men tambira kuno isaje kana wosim fadalta ko tege because a baby dal la banna ko kilngal wala na nga folo nyina ko politician o be gala political interest la juwe ila political interest be damendo ikalo world so for interest in bankola interest tara la bon wala question so wala sinol from 2016 hani be they are relevant mo be sa juwe no la from a personal angle ya kam fato anu so bari simple mentar hani be men be coalition lo le ka fo na nimbalo ñu nekk dañu na problème le 2016 ñu nekk dañu na problème so be wol bay la ñaadi le saje men keda 2016 akana ka kotek so way ñu nekk ko 2016 ko wol keda jël men ya ko wol mu problème ni nga bi fa na won ñu ki ngol ban benen soto laji bo misalo mo ne de baaw ya jëme bondo wala coalition saab ya jëme bondo ko la national assembly conduct la ñaadi le bo man ka ca mberi local government election conduct la ñaadi wo man ka ca ni nga yaaje ma bondije mbe mum simfa dal la tala kaaje ko institutional ye bill system change halifa sala kam fonu mbe o keno la ñaadi le TRRC ñol sifal da be wolo kono ku jamal a pay executive level wo kola membe nana ño wal yo ketawol par ku dantan fana findita je mol fana magna nañu la wala ko president se kacha nyawanya se policy lan nyawanya se arrangementol keno nyawanya agreementol keno nyawanya nim mota rafa presidency soro banko la constitution be janabe falina nda falino la until maybe April nyol ma fon because national assembly member je yani bi wala be taraje fo janding national assembly election weka as a falino le but still now abe time tala so no one had a president when bottom money 2026 yet calendar January 2027 no bina with executive power as they exist under the 1997 constitution. So hay janta karla kala minister ti jang yanta karla kala na yeba mane ko ke minister wala ki je karfla ya bay ko anam baro men kanu mol dunda ma han kar sabasi may faari ñol do bay o je ñol bay mo mo no la yi tous because amal luwati nya. So Londo bijele 2017 kabri executive belo la PDIS ko itala party policy minyo ko manta executive position ta ay model disappoint le to nya bawo ni mu fene de me encore dina alta la kulli fali ya wulu sa en ka londi silo kam pra sim fal tano ay bamba atal ko hanen to bi national assembly mo man kenyi ko ku jawlam dani ibololam because president assembly be wolobul na mendiata ya wala tulaje mendiata ya wala baylan moto ku nolaje because loi banko loi wala dia I was symbol dia so tal yo faham je wala ne ko to bi national assembly because wo ibe do ko la molle mote bay no lawot andun to nyaal so mu floor number 1 let ni nara coalition arrangement la okay ni nga baro bon je karla be kala minister of nyindi karla be kala minister of karla be kala minister mo be sonna wala ka to nya yo okay no problem nyin kam nga d'accord doro ñing fonka men nga ba nga soto bi nga wosoto sambo men banko luwa na mbo sambo tamande so ni wa sambo nyinte ko ngere bayambe bayla abiyom political. Unfortunately, there is not always 100% sincerity. It can't be what works for you and then you go with that. As long as Amanda Moltor. But near Koi Mol, Molsawa Karmu Kolomolti Kari is rigid. Komol Kapidio as usual. Yanamuntella believed and the moment convinced no code there's a different, a better way. Because they are too rigid, they are not flexible. Because Mandel wo politics ifa. So the proposal of the ning president baraje me mo nekala nga National Assembly nga contest all independence comme be ko le patriote yellow as independence ba to nyaabe damen to nyaabe damen wala ko ala mo baro resign ta UDP nyaaw wo was a formality ni mol même fana be resign le patriote contest National Assembly elections as independence o fana mo formality le ngani yo ko no membe je mo be al ko nyimu parti kar mo so the proposal mu world UDP la proposal mu nete amanjari wala ba won tala ngin coalition masakunda sen ila agenda mu A B C and D ndal besa na mol ya marno la nge be bla merankilen ko nin masakunda ni policy agenda nata na CRC lo be ya support because d'accord wala ko nyanda constitutional reform so la ni na de ko nga TRRC lo be ya support National Assembly nga pass as a legislation because it's antanya la ko Truth and Reconciliation nyanta sort la banko kanja ni nade agenda samane ko nga jane commission lo mbeya support as individual political parties many alan ko beda be nyen coalition ko no because lafta nyina la jaaje meti nyaro men ka janga ko kisi ni nga keso bonino nyanda kulula la men ka ngala wal kam be nga support so amanjari nga bonda patiol to pour kanyi agenda support andu wala keda patiol be d'accord la TRRC lota jana commission lota CRC lota patiol be ya support so man jar nyina be nga bajanga da independent men balanta wala APRC mold because ya jamu badon ko la APRC ana bi sira on be wol National Assembly wol to so nawol par famo be coalition a be son dala wala na pass UDP ma fu manta CRC pass la ma fu manta TRRC support la ma fu manta jana commission support la ma fu manta security sector reform support la ya be la support PDIS fana wonyo famo fe National Assembly members ro kafo kono je PPP la ma be NRP be son dala le be aba so kafo ko mo be ra independent woman aman necessary bar kabru ofra politician lo mi damal ka so binyola an ya je nyimbe fala wala ko men yalon ko itala sembo man dinyin dol man kanya ila fte fan sementu yalla so also bodun taje patiol men yalon ko nana mang siran sort National Assembly for example GMC GPDP and even to a certain extent NRP nyol PPP nyol ibe nyim opportunity jela ko we can influence policy wala ko finance council to no nyima sakunda ko lafta banko sa mara nyama finance council to yi nsa minister ya pala so to no je Henry Gomez pala so to je my father pala so to je Hamad Ba han bi abiji PPP la mol ke pala so to je so ko rana National Assembly fana UDP la argument mu wol mais mu nekk la ñim parti ndol men yalon ko hani bi they couldn't make headway wala ko mang lono mo fla singol bol ma ko la ñaade for example nim may lafta National Assembly wala ya take minister de la finance mo tombo gul li ñol ma fa wala mais yalon ko naay wolo nda fana jigida ko ñi sekke no GMC la candidate National Assembly isa ja fana siran kelen so Henry Gomez fana sa fana ma ko maybe for just one ma fa wala mbang o anyway ata fana mo lo no da ma mo lo ni afana siran kelen so that way fana la political party yo balon no ba on bebe d'accord le ñina lako agenda A B and C nse wol samano so yeah support so basically wala kera disagreement coalition of maintain no PDIS ko tel manta executive position tala ibita National Assembly UDP ko National Assembly election nimba contest la manjari mo beta independent mo be situ no yalen d'accord ramenna be nga support na National Assembly janyaw kat wala no mo jama ka fa ko UDP government so wasi fa like a ideological difference the wala ko the d'accord no la because ko tamane nyam mang d'accord je So ni o mol samana meni alan ko man d'accord banko nyanta tamala nyame wala priority nyanta dira area men na yol be bula merankile. It's just a matter of time. As soon as Adam Borobota Yodro, what differences all will emerge. 100% without failure. Konta la jeri nyama nyati del tama nyati meyen dawundi wala Adam Borobo masiyati ngaw bondije. As soon as ngaw bondije even janabe inaugurate latro, politicians will start moving to make their political calculations. 100%. Fonka a politician support la fombuka support, that's going to be the case. Moto bonolay. That's the reality. Ndaldum bukala to live in reality. Ndala idea mental runs of Doko Janya Takala Walla. For one in Dunia Tamania, Katakilin, the former Kakilin, the Kala human instincts, Wallen, Hadamadung, Darnyang, Danya, Allen Dynamic, no doubt on the cool cono, Nafako Jini Yaramok, Would be Bolo Dalilom and Godality. So, never coalition or bill that these are the problems. Number one. What ideological difference ni wala ka problem ko na jeriñal mankile na lafta banko tamad la ñame mankile hanatram bela hamo ñu ne ko banko tamad ra yiruwa wo yiruwa mbaso la ñadile nka ñoo saba wol so nin tara fo na de unda ngaw bandi je say no wali dal wol fana be fentila so imagine yema sekunda so ha dinga coalition ko be karla kala minister of education be karla kala minister of justice be karla kala fangod sal nata policy o cabinet meeting avec akela ñaadi natara ñim patiol be they have a different approach to any of those issues. So differences all kufla ida masakunda membe sirinje president membe sirinje ate ba policy kilina tala ko lafta ñim policy da taman la eta konta ñu support mala because ntala jero for example my education for jan you know can the curriculum change ka enhance ni SDA ke Minister of Education ta ko sa mbe English abolish la pro nga de no karande fama la kanwal ni misalo de do ñun dol ka ngo take no la because mawo institution sort wo problem mo ka ñani. Number two is a taranoma secondary just because one walanko there is a policy government left to implement that you cannot get behind it because ideologically you cannot support it, or number two you are being suspected of undermining the policies of the government. Wala kira UDP mo la member man sakunda ko. Ba UDP ko ni la political le ko abaro undermine kan wala na nyante bayla. O ku flol wol fana 100% moto fale no. Nim politico men de onda bota ye dron na ideological differences obina. Ni UDP ko mala ko tara man sakunda nyante bayla le da ban je because baro undermine kan. Because policy le keri ma men support. Amad sana na la vehicle policy na la man sakunda man ke yatinya. Because of the corruption that cement to ya. So ideological differences they are there. Maybe coalition bill you have to consider that. So that's a point of conflict. Masa kuna de tamano lo kama wala kat neka kamfa e dol bay e do samana. So maybe yo mari bay anatran do ko ranyana la ko nyina na coalition agreement sa ni president or minister bay ibasa mala kiti nyuma. Because wol bo kick out le avon ko sembe ya loi nyina foko president or minister appoint ata ko minister but amanya na dalila famadi. So wala alternative movement UDP ka wala advocate wala party led ninga party kilin tambe ninga ngo tele nyanta maral masakunda so mbe afal dama to bi même na mol siara wala UDP itale tambe ke executive wala man tala advocacy wo man ke ndu ko ye fa warale tele fanji ko tele siara mo hani wala logic mina wala fol ni okay ko ngo sa atal executive atal maral na ba wala candidate wala tambendi carte fere wala gagnata wala betar la executive ñaato say ata sala minister tombo ala famen ke la minister and dafa sa garantie ñu nako 100% ni UDP ma so kunda sir ata kala ko la minister be wala UDP wo fana so fa ya yo samba to di bank ni ka daba accuse mo la en 2017 ka ba ko apply boje place de la ka yemna ya muta ya kunna fale ya yel mande ko adaba ko fo ñu be ko no dinken tije na nga apply boje andana ma fa dala andana ma ngane because I muna je ako APRC e tilmbal ya jamaala ki jam mo jama be APRC e tilmbal ya jamaala support ñim banko kanja so malla fi da tara ñim masa kunna kon mol fon ka ken nim coalition mol finta da falbe APRC mol to ma e alam baro ñin ka signa ja ko no karanal be mbul mol si aranta bulla manjar nga APRC mol to mo ngay place but da boy muna cross je ya jame ka mol higher based on loyalty wala tribe to a large extent I palaso di mo jamal la men ya ko bata fonye if they are qualified fine there's no problem with that but ni o mol be muta ye kilin mon ye because they are incompetent mol be muna jela be fonye ko le kala ka be jola le kala ka da ko hani mol be APRC la men ya ko ima ko man sia major commission to imam ko luwatinya ni ngo modol sabarangi bulande fankon isaje ko APRC ko financé fanje ko ani fonyo ko se fanje ko ani jola financé fanje ko ani masa ko nana da Gambia be la ya manna mo kilinda ma e manna kan tel kel al nga bla bo jan sabaranga bulande na masa ko na kono isaje financé nyaalo kan ani nga modol jube men ya ko se bulande no fankon ya ku neyal mande ko da ko jola be ko na bla bo jan ma mo ken do da ma ko fankon politicien je kam anya ni kamala ka mo be samana nga sisi fa mo be la ko Gambia be la tamari ya jamme ma kon aka banko tamani nyama malafu wala na nga bondi je bar sa banko be se ke kelende nga sambanya ba minister ni odi mo la government masakunda president la agenda ata bo wala promote la do na ma ta atamandi ya bondi so ka mo France o garantie ni soto ko ni odi UDP la ata kala ko 100% la minister be wala UDP la mol to mana men yalon ko e ko soto la ko Mafoko wala bekal, but for example, how many times Ali Dawaje he's speaking very well of the Minister of Higher Education because he's competent, he's capable, he's qualified. I can see. So somebody like that knows somebody can continue with documents that Minister of Education and I you be Karbala now. But what na fabe muna kela wala ko ni palaso government executive position ya di particular ne ko alter la tam ni executive. So alter la tam manya. Well, c'est la mol appoint after men appoint la coming after nyawo bete kala UDP nkodi. It will concentrate on the executive kindol will not concentrate on other areas. Maybe o party dol fanga budget be mol bon la o party kono ko minister karinge o palaso detail. For example, coming after nyawo tane UDP nkamanyen kaya ning UDP nkali da manyen kaya ni mutala opinion ni ya tafa sama le kango ngeke minister of justice na le sonna. Duma wa fla mon qualify. Just for the first 5 years. I continue our political. So ni old time executive ko ha lafta alta later mi bari ngalon ko na ideology na la ideology when it comes to policy immaculate ku dan tam fele lafta le pour nal nata na janim albal dabla la political na la policy ko kono nyun ku dan tam mbebe la fere men na banko kan aliyol implement ku follow party be Gambia bi be lafta new constitution parti de yema lafa dama ke arambaro wodun data coalition ko mo bukata la ku kaja dalbe opposition la follow so party be number 1 be lafta mo la constitution kudo bring back the CRC draft and it goes through the process like it was supposed to since 2020 party be son the wall ngete tambe the executive nyimmu kulati be lahi la nyin ko ba tawande la number 1 number 2 be after implementation of the monang Jana Commission lambang, TRRC lambang, Security Sector Reform Committee lambang will be recommendation of make after the pura implement. Wala be banko na fa. So alter la policy move from offending on that area. New recommendation of after the National Assembly wala alia revise at the cabinet level. Alia new recommendation alia implement. Alia lahi do. Number 3, party be Gambia. They all want independent institutions. The Malawi IGP Kafako orders came from the top. But you party Gambia be after all independent institution. Isaje, the president Baraje, President Donatana or institutional, they will remain secure. IAC, President Ala, Chairman appointed La Soma Adikwa Bondigate. Isaje was a free and fair election or conduct. No. So strong institutions. So the all data politics, police all data politics, Lanyaton called Tafalanko orders came from the top. Party be Gambia be la frinyana. So from executive ko kale la di nyina ko nal nata nyina fana be kala la load lat. Party be Gambia be lafta corruption ye bambanko. Party kilenti yima la fwa. So yenye dol tamene ko party led afele bar nyina mal task te ko nal nata na nyi sanji lulu follow ko ta nyi sanji kilim follow member bla la kon. Nyina mal la priority area ti aliata man. Nywa bala no. What about no? But for banko katama ni nyinku dantawal damala hani policy area dol bi jele men joko economic policy bankola economic policy be kala monet bankola monetary policy be kala monet bankola health policy jare kende be kala monet bankola seno ba ayruwan la nyaadi patiol be man d'accord nyin nako nyantata man lañi silo wala lañi silo wala lañi silo wala lañi silo hani they have differences of opinion but say fonni masa kunda ko donata mbafalo ko okay agricultural bank health bank economic policy monetary policy al ngola ndi karala follow fojin sanjulu lo bank nyanda banko constitution ko don fankol men de dala ngol be de da nim paranas na nyin dol nim pati o pati winta ko de ko sina wol tamane nyin dol wolte they cannot wait. Those things have to be implemented. So difference in Binawol, it's like economic and monetary policy and in Dota Mankili. It's agriculture policy and in Dota Mankili. So an alter baby woman Sakunda on Aqua and the Korunga cooking tamandi, you have a son in the Tatamanda and Tama. So since those things cannot wait, you have your executive, you have to tell agriculture policy Menkela Yak, Najibifa Bankona Fatanafa. You have to tell education policy Menkela Yak, la monetary policy, la economic policy, Yataman and Yataman. Exactly, and I'm getting to that, Hassan Jallo. How can we trust that? That is the main question. And I have a proposal for that solution, so stay around. So, having a party-led approach, in this case, we're advocating for, the UDP party-led approach. You can have another party in your mind and then tell us why that party should be the one leading. Well, you have cabinet select, and then they have to focus on these priority areas. So, but how do we ensure UDP will implement these issues that we all have in common? How do we ensure that? This is where the strategy comes in. It is going to take the form of a tactical alliance. So, so this is where it comes in. Currently in the Gambia National Assembly, we have 53 elected members and 5 appointed members of the National Assembly. Out of that number, currently, UDP has 15 seats. Don't get into the politics of where I am maintained is or not. They have 15 seats that are under the UDP. That number is way, way less than the 2/3 majority, which will be about 37, 38 seats. Equal of a 2/3 majority to implement certain things in the constitution or to implement certain policies, you need 2/3 majority. So that is way below that, 15 seats. So here's the strategy. We want a new constitution. We want strong institutions. We want Jana Commission report implemented. We want, all those things that we discussed earlier. When it comes to this tactical alliance thing, out of those seats, the parties can come together. UDP, since we are giving you the executive, the National Assembly, you cannot have more than your current number of seats. Or let's say, round it up. We'll give you 18 seats, 15 seats in the National Assembly. You cannot have more than that. Why? Because out of those 58 seats, if you have 15, that puts you in a minority compared to the other parties. Let's not forget, NPP will still have seats in the National Assembly. But if the overwhelming majority of the seats goes to the people in the coalition, PDIS, PPP, everybody else who wants to be in the coalition these people have the majority. If UDP decides to Galgati, we can stop them with our majority. If we tell them to do something, they refuse to do it. When they come to the seek funding for a certain aspect of their budget, we're going to refuse. We can basically be an obstruction to whatever policy they want to drive that is not in the interest of the people. So they give themselves that power. UDP will not say no to that. Basically, you're going to have a supermajority. You're going to have the executive and then have a supermajority in the National Assembly. The National Assembly, you leave to your coalition partners, make a check on the government. When it comes to the judiciary, we all know the courts are supposed to be independent. So there's no negotiating there. We can even forget about those people. Let them do their court things. There's no appointment there or anything, that is subject to political appointments. So with this arrangement, the other parties have leverage. Now in the National Assembly, they have real power that they can execute. we are not going to approve this travel budget. We are not going to approve this budget for this embassy. We are not, then you have to close that embassy. We are not going, like, you want to appoint special advisor to the president. We're not going to approve the budget for that person to be paid. You're going to approve, just to create opportunity for your own people. We are not going to approve it because they have the majority. They can stop that from happening. That is real power. And also another thing, since the current constitution, which is one question that we can ask, says we should have 58 members of the National Assembly, 53 elected and 5 nominated. We have a discussion on this call, basically on social media. I'm talking about nominated National Assembly members should be a thing that we should do away with, and I think the new constitution caters to that. But until we have that constitution ratified and taken to a referendum and, you know, instituted as the laws of the country, the question is, if you decide that you're not going to nominate 5 members of the National Assembly, will that violate the Constitution? I think the answer is yes. It says 58 members, 53 elected, 5 nominated. So here's my suggestion. And this is not meant to diminish or disrespect anybody. Like I said, from 2017, we saw PDI says they want to be in the National Assembly. They are more comfortable in the National Assembly. They feel they can serve the people better in the National Assembly. And I don't think they will want to serve in another executive where the president has the power to fire them if they are not leading that executive, which is sensible. But because of their wealth of experience that they have in the National Assembly since the First Republic to now, how about they nominate Sidia Jara, Halifa Sallah to be in the National Assembly as Speaker and Deputy Speaker? You know those people are not going to cave to a UDP agenda or any other party's agenda. So you can have that arrangement. And then the other 3 that, you know, you usually have special needs people or whatever coming to the National Assembly, those people can be recommended by the other parties. And then in that framework of a tactical alliance, you can say UDP will not put somebody in Serekunda, Halifa, or PDIs can recommend whoever they want in there. The same thing goes for Wuli, and then they can maintain their current seat where they have Musa Cham in the National Assembly and another. That gives them up to 8 or 9 members in the National Assembly, the most they've ever had. Now, that's not suicide, Ali. Like I said, this is talking about the first 5 years of the transition, at the end of which we would have had a new constitution, which requires 50+1. That means nobody is guaranteed a win anymore. You have to get allies from all sides. But by which time, we would have proven that, hey, we are not the scary people that they say we are. Here is what we did in the first 5 years. Now it's time to vote. And here is what we're promising you next. And then people will actually see the results. By that time, they will speak for themselves. When we have a 50+1 majority, we kill the tribalism in our politics. Because of the tribe, you might antagonize just so you can get votes from the other tribes. You need everybody now. And people like in tribal nonsense may have inherit from Yajam or people in the political. So basically, coming from Pulka Hassan Lakumoning, Samentuya, I didn't go and Kolanko, Ninkon Dako Ranjana, the same Mulba, a make some Nanyadi loco, UDP, need a cortamane batamandla, Wolanko, somebody more Lamani Alanko, Nibe coup killing, Walla Sontako, UDP Tambi, and somebody in the National Assembly. Ko, in first 5 years, priority Munating a Banco Banda, didn't come and Londi. Even though the political agenda and the party agenda, we will implement some of them, but Tabi implement Nola. So compromise kama, here is the priority areas. But new constitution sambalan, Momo Bankoka Beal Nako, Momo constitution or CRC draft support mentamita UDP. Moto Bankoka Membafla one. So UDP Kali Anko, CRC draft Basambalan at our National Assembly and the Menamol, we will whip them to support it. Ala Lonko Wekela. So amendment or amendment biji National Assembly to so amendment ke no na diade ya samu wali da referendum ni wala referendum mo mutana o constitution kuto ni wala bita sai wala ko 2031 mo bina na be o constitution kuto taraje da ko mo le na already na len take jere wo first 5 years better na wala so mo bina ta kola you will need 50+1 to be in the national to lead the country. So 50+1 you mo tata la janka ko campaign kana la nga coalition na dia me coalition ka naman dia kana but member club president will have 50+1 which is not possible in Gambia's current political environment. So in first round or battle bida second round political party flag soto même be je me majority soto but it's not 50 plus 1 and me seconda o parti fulol lam sa nyim parti fulol tema o parti wuli kilmol be ko ma ete la waju la be juma support la mo fulo kon woytam o nyin di am meson be banawol ete tar la ye ka ko man ni kol betene you know na le carte faye be ken tenen because ete la ko ni kol kamfani ba woni mo tan ko tege ko na carte faye ni wole da ban je ete ka menye ete soto wonyong sido tribalism fela nga kala nga da ban na ko mol be mem fulo ila kulubal yalla la social media ni la e bol fala bravo bala na politician wol da kon so ko kelna de zaman kero so national assembly nga somebody wala nyim parti dol men ni be ko len ko nga atelier mara national assembly la ale sambota ye sa jeni UDP ka ko kala men altiere aji ko anem banko la na fa manta ale kuntu nyara ko nyanta kala sambo bal bulle mbe luwal falinale wala mbe lolal nyaato len bal la ko do la na kalbe you know advisor carle appoint la advisor ti intel sifale ben kala advisor ya fo ko banko luwa man so ala manta palaso di la ni palaso di la fo sa jo la poso kon bal banko la ko do ci amaria so politician wala da makata so be nyola because kajo ko ninga nyinga be na politiko ma ko la ben la politiko to la wala be ni advantage la tanta be disadvantage la every politician thinks along those lines so sam be fa nyinen kala mo no banko na fa so no constitution could also by 2031 even as a gesture of goodwill after the 2026 election kafoko IGP member je either na the other you know the next president afoko mbatu la jele bari ata national assembly ya confirm wala mbabo la jele na modo ki ata national assembly ya confirm because the constitution kuto nata wala bekel so no constitution kuto nata public order act na repeal so the moment be sela ko ani UDP na be nyene IGP will not be subject to the whims of the president. The president will go nyinke akanga ni luwa manda atabayno. Because many assembly wala national assembly. Niko wa baile ba flo moni na luwa tinya. Luwa tinya ni mo kenya de baile. So the IGP by no, the IAC chairman by no, that way they are free to do their job. It'll sila men na wala ko na do ko kono kana luwati nyaje na do ko kono kana je corruption kula je na do ko kono kana je tinyar la je me anka se mon mako ase mon man to rakay so to betra sila na ko ambe president campagne la ania campagne na funa tay brate bondi knowledge because monem national assembly le confirm na rafta pour ke bondi jabta national assembly afon ko ha IGP ni ne ka ay luwati nya wala kar la nyanto tinya so lafta bondi la je wala nga bon dijele national assembly ya ko ya fa ko antel nga kare confirm pour que IGP dum na ya bon ya fon ko ñaan nga bon wol fana saaju ya fa to ñaan ñi kam ñi mu bay ko wol ya bay men kam ñanta bay ko kay so a new constitution absolute majority a truly independent IEC and then we redress past injustices whether they were committed on the Jammeh or Barrow whether it's economic injustice or whatever else you know, by implementing the TRRC report, the Jammeh Commission report, the security sector reform, civil service reform, all those will be strong, independent institutional lesson. And then we remove the Public Order Act. So, there's no Public Order Act. The IGP is not going to say, you know, I'm commit sort of, you know, so, science and with a rabon could do vulnerable. Il after menkela wala be sonna menna yo songale mala fi ko sommenna ya boje so sambo bete tar concentrate le mo kilmo bul men diata aka ka wonya what transition of the world so dala nyen karo mente wala ngo mo so nyimbe jeno e ka fu mo le ngo ha kar wolta taminol because ni nyimbe be larin kenen muna tuta jesila wala menyata tambela sa fondol nga jiko soto ko nana da benyin tamani nola follow mente wala mko national assembly me ala ko molle ba to monna ise abantambel no le ko ta nyaato ka fa ko nyimme lafta kale da keno because politician will be there's political calculation behind everything that they do. Kuoku back a political calculation, bam from position no in a favorable political situation. And it kind of multi form there's tragedy, like some more banta nyado benyama politician yasika ya kutiko hard nintel. Why? Because they want to build political capital. Everything whether it's a tragedy or a good thing, politicians always have a political calculation in mind. But being the better moment on alone ko jinam kudi me alon ko la kumaya. So ni UDP ko tel better melanya rela nyineka atelier lafta menta la monati na ko nyendo ko keno. Sa daji ko jube, sa la qualification jube, so ku jama jube ala ko. Fone yentamela ba jinkeno la. Now man sal ya foko okay, jinam dalilo. But come for am I electable? Am I electable nyari? Ay carte fayol ki janne sa jël comme nga fa ñame ya jëm carte fay na keta. So jero lek na ballot box so siki abule so jomo to ko na ta counting centers at the district divisional headquarters. Politician da bu ko blow mo to ko. So mo nek ka woto mo malo. Mo be ni mo sa manjari any deep research at a library ta Google wala chat GPT wala any yafongo. What is the assessment of Gambia's elections from 1996 to 2016? Every single one Bafle was not free and fair. So kumembe wanyama nika mole yanko nana my election win jet. Yo dabon di calculation wanyako. Yale mantra fair. Tilumoto wakacha kuwa. But if Niko is not electable for Kula ba daji ko to Mayatina is not electable. It all for knowledge. And then Kula ke Mayatina multa elect no. It all for nam fole. Mol la falal dro. Mol la fola ni la fe bali la atra mande ngi jiko la mande ke ko la mande fo ko mol. Mo so control no nyaadi. Natre ke barolat na mol bu kala fela akaro ataka dolo mena akata boy si lokan janda mu la mol la kana ka kurundu ka samba suko ni o blase ke modol ye kongol bela fela akaro ata sangrata bakele ni nawe ka jala dro ase nyum fankola e bayin ni o jika si fawla mol bi mol ba femme alon ka manke jikote mo ma sute to mo ma moy makando mo ma je il faut ko mar ira fanko mol mal la falal do mun garanti la bijé ko mo kelo mo mal fa ne mo do sama mo bele fla because Gambia mo bijé men yale ka fa yon kon tel bu ko ma sa oppose bu mo sambe wala kana nyaari ane mala ko sama na wala ko oppose ko tel bu ko ma sa oppose so alta wo handu la nyaari ba njula electoral results jibe na man ke 2016 when the pressure was so high they never vote against the sitting president. Now the National Assembly that's diverse, yeah, we understand that, but 100% mol bi jeben ka fa ngon tel nim man sa ala la sinti yentel boko carte fe ka bonne ji ni ala ya bonne ji xotam na bala ji. If you have that mentality in the country, how do you seek to address that? It doesn't matter who you bring, those people are not going to change their views. Banko se ko ya nyawnya wol. So what assurances, what guarantees do you have ko wo mo le ta ko convince no la pour kana ka yela makala alka. So bafla ko nte karala ko diata ni lafta wala itam karala ko diata ni lafta wala itam wodum manke kaset bari karala ko diata nte sa mbula karla la ngana mbula karla la ngado wala entel batan ko nga fanya ba ko se men fono nsa wali o munyele to kon ni jer nyal mankele mfuta tanyen tembe dal do sa ntanga ko jeten an ntanga jeten wala ko wali bari kana kuya ajo ko sun karo fela binana ntanga karo jela ni tel maji ntol be sun nan dal manda sun wo jarra nga kuya jer nyal la mankele ndro so wo jarra nyo comme tel mfuta tembol de me yalon ko banko kam nganyina kunun na lembo ka so manyasi wala mbatan waliyo manke ñu ko ñanta ku yalla ku ne ni modol be ku kelen ye ñi ñaake ku kendol ke mfura rabito waliyo keta afa don ko bidu alma lin kayra ben naji e fana ya faale bidu alma kayra fo lon ko ma mo be ta haajo to ñalam nim modol ye jiko dol ye tan ni la wala yo ku ke me yalan ko ay fadi fongol o kam fa ko nasike ku ke wala ko ma fo me yalan ko normally ta afal mol fana so understand no je but na rada sa fa ro nyu sa ba si fa lo to mo bete ko mo ko te jino le nyonga wala ko nyinde manda so manyasi because kunu modol men ya lonko wol nena ma mira ko bala UDP bi wol bataje ene mol be kule men ya lonko kunu nena ma mira ko no be to ko kule do xana wadu dum beddi bol ko all the time ba nana tan ko bebe banko la ko nga jibe mo ne banko nafa me banko nafa wala ko aram baro baje na constitution ko to soto karatal be kalere no wote be ngawlo banko mo be wala as long as aram baro bije constitution ko to soto lo banko na bi soto la fana la constitution me ya ko ate sembentu ya sembo basic idea tala bondi banko dingol bolu sembe tatar lambulu ko de so no wala te nyasi wala di atete ga ko ni ngatuji bawo so me bina ha me karle to ya tele ni sa no there is still a pathway na ko aram baro ya last election no win bra win mun dele la kan iko mo le kam fate bota pati dol to wala ya ko nim man karri fa adam baro ni dol le betambe la même UDP dan ni nata banko mo be man to wala ne afa na le mo do sama na meng is electable o mo be bla adam baro kan na la o marika because wala mun ko mbe mo la tamen la me ya kata la UDP isa nga adam baro bonni ko rela samba adam baro ya. So still now there's a pathway bara dia kuya hani albina ala lanka andu nal na datal betara sinum ko mala yal bulol siral koto ate fam fal albesi la ngata mal nyato men dia tan ntali aldal fana so nawal ala maden jumal be sire hakilo ko ne o mira ko nyimu to nyaal be so nanyina nyine entel batal ka jaw na to na nga betinya ka jaw folor lato nyomo to keno la sam be na wali men tinyata fa panjan kala tanga nga fo wo narrative ni wala be set up kan sande nen ko walta da fon fra tambodo de avoka ha yudi bin ko lat na nyi mankeno ani ngali no ko kabrim bi since January for jan December kartan nim fula UDP ko italtina ko kafuto me yalan ko ba fula le nako dia kuya albe bula karle no UDP ko ital data wor sai natural se modol sa manual ye kafuno al fanka al tale bolta al ye kafu al fanka al ni woleta al ni wole ko kile bari nga jikile ko wo fana ta kala ko te me ala ka be soni ala ko mo ya jikka ka be soni ala nyame so nga ndol sa barange bula je sa je ni wo soni ya bali ya ke da wala ko le nga ataki nza ko UDP la dabi je wala na mankeno sa wol ko ta data ji al dal yalla ko tamal sa nga jibe al mo ko fu nyoma al ye ke kile ban ko no fa ndam be kala kile da di rame ko rame mon ko be kala kile because me be tinyaro le be mol kunna takila nyola si kar ni region kar ni wol bataji aram barona la APRC mon wol bataji momo natana be jikiri nyina la ko aba bulo yalla mo be na banko dingo be ko al nga kafu nyoma banko dogu nyin tribal politika be banta janna sai me loi tinya fo ye support la fo man support loi men fo la e kantel da haji ito le loi tinya ni loi du nyungul member politiku palaso nyina la yena ya nyina mol bulu based on ila merit ntanga nyina no be nyina ke no la ya ngala nyina ni mol be jiko suro de afay ni man jiki suro de yebula ji bari ta fulen ko nalta la bodo black len nalta la bodo sikle al carte fay wol be wala so ni ngaji be what is at stake mo be because sule la political interest la bar Gambia tel kam na jike UDP tel la political interest da ma UDP am political interest so me an kan ba ko interest manda ni nyina ka to fono ko mo do be jo fo so ne ata la political interest da mala because la fa dawle tam so len dawata me da muna bala ko me an kata ko samano mo fa mo lewa ina ne am scandal jumato mo me an ko sanjitan nan nim fen is in the public limelight ina ne mo scandal la mo ala ko ina ne mo bad conduct la jala ko na man ke banko la ko rani ya jame ka nyosa bo men ne am ya sanrat jumala bul so na ko man dia fol ra ko man dia wo mo man kuno ala mbe dala mankele so men ko man dia wala ko man dia dal fana tina jan kanan ka fako ka mol son mol le falen ha al yela ma yeketen ke ba me ango ya na nyumole wo me mutablo la ko nyinam ntela muta fawon tabbe lori nyina kam man tablo ga ni to ko bondi wala ke fana batan But fana sa fin dinga fo ko ite yenyi memuda amanke to nyaate to nyaafel sa fana ya hakko si na wini wo kidi fale mo wote la ko bari fana sa jil lonko ila fale mbal ya manke nyindi ko man to nyaaje to nyaafel ila bla noma umila hajol la bla bal ya noma umila hajol so me wotambe dal to gambi yeji moli fo ila hajo etinya ko dan laba so on fotara dan la tambol na tra bonko la sulo wala mbe wulen na blo wono to nyabe dama na tra mbe fam position kan politically esaje so mom be na lolam français fam mako no nyame political either to get close to power or to be in charge. Now that wala wulen fine, having somebody else lead is not going to be in the interest of that goal. But let us stop pretending one side is completely and entirely good and the other side is entirely bad and capable of being good. Wala ka jojo basically online, but coming after people will do what they want to do, and we are not here to convince anybody otherwise. You just do what you want to do, let people do what they want to do. If reason and logic is what we're going to go by, we look at every presentation based on the merits that they bring to the table. Because this is party-led, that's what we want. What are the merits of it? And what are the disadvantages of it? The only thing they will tell you is it will empower one political party more than the others. That's it. Political calculation, not the interest of the nation. Because everything they propose in terms of policy benefits the nation. But because you are afraid when this party comes to power, there's no way we can fight and push them away from power. But even if that's the case, will they implement the rule of law? Will the democratic space open up so that we can all participate effectively? So your inabilities are what is inhibiting you, not anybody else's, efforts. That's where we need to draw the contrast. I put in the effort, I'm seeing the benefits of it. If you have the inability to exert the same effort, that is not my problem. So at some point we need to tell each other the truth. Every politician has political motives in whatever they do when it comes to the politics of the nation. We expect those things to align with the interests of the country. That is what the scrutiny is about, but not about whether they are politically motivated or politically oriented. They always are 100% of the time. If I have a political ideology, I want to leave a legacy of a sustainable, a sustained country based on its own capacity, feed itself. When I leave, that's what they're going to say. Jawara left a legacy of, leading the country to independence and having an economy that worked for the people. Everybody can afford to live in that country, whether you are a teacher or a nurse. In fact, teaching was a very noble profession. You ask children back in the day, in my days in primary school, what do you want to be? They will either say, I want to be a teacher, I want to be a nurse. Ask children today what they want to be. So anyway, that's the question to ask. Are politicians motivated by their desire to serve the country or to position themselves for power ultimately or eventually at some point in the future? That's the question. And again, these are my opinions. I didn't consult anybody in UDP leadership. I didn't present this to anybody in UDP leadership. I just think it is the logical approach. An argument in favor of a party-led arrangement to unseat Barrow. Everybody gets what they want. And then we move on to the next phase. That's it. There's no other involvement, no other ulterior motive, whatever. But like I said, everybody has political motives. They are not going to disclose that, and we don't expect them to. But let us stop pretending like everybody is, not smart enough to figure out what is going on. So, if we cannot come to agreement on figuring out what policy best serves the country, and then we support that, it doesn't matter who the leader is. If we cannot figure that out, we cannot argue issues based on the merits of the issue itself, we want to go personal, then let everybody go with the person that you prefer. And then we move on and leave the rest to fate and see what happens. That way we, kind of anyway, this is another long video. I usually try to stay under an hour, but again, we're almost yet. But hopefully going forward, UDP will focus on what it wants to do for the country and then align with whoever wants to align with them. Adam Barrow can figure out how he wants to continue staying in power and who is going to support him. And everybody else who doesn't see the UDP, as inclusive enough or an avenue for them, can figure out where they want to go from there. But ultimately, we all need to be focusing on our side, what we think is best, and then advancing that and stop all these incessant attacks, which is not going to happen until we get to 2027 and see what happens. So anyway, Allah Baraka Bako for next week, inshallah.